Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's video is all about the future, skincare 2025, innovations that will blow your mind. In today's video we are diving into jaw-dropping technologies, AI beauty, lab-grown skin cells and stuff that sounds straight out of a science fiction movie. But it's all real, it's happening right now. So what are the things? So many things are there actually. First is AI-powered apps. Actually, AI-powered apps scan your face using your phone camera to detect dryness, pigmentation, then aging signs, and based on your DNA, okay, based on your environment, your daily moods. So considering all these things, AI-powered apps recommend you your skincare routine. That means you can say that you are having the dermatologist in your pocket. Anyway, so this was the first thing, AI-powered apps that scan your face using the phone's camera. Okay. Anyway, so that was the first thing. Second thing is smart mirrors. Yes, smart mirrors. They analyze your skin each morning. They actually detect, they analyze actually your skin's dryness, okay, oil levels, tiny wrinkles, etc. All these things they analyze. I am talking about right now smart mirrors. They analyze all these things and accordingly they tell you what products you should use before stepping out. So these are the functions of smart mirrors. Then lab-grown collagen is there. Lab-grown collagen. You know collagen, the requirement of collagen in our skin. So lab-grown collagen are there. Already developed, okay, clinically proven. They are biologically identical. They are clinically proven, biologically identical. Okay, and goes deeper in your skin. So those are what? Those are lab-grown collagen or lab-grown skin cells. Then skin regeneration patches are there. Skin regeneration patches. You just use it overnight and it boosts your stem cell repair while you sleep. It boosts your stem cell repair while you sleep. Again, many companies are developing 3D printed face mask. 3D printed face mask customized to your face shape and skin condition. Say for example, on your cheeks, high level of hydration is required. Just for example, you say on your cheeks, high level of hydration is required, but on forehead, something different is required. Means there is a difference in the requirement on your cheeks and on your forehead. So accordingly, 3D printed that device can print the face mask according to your requirement. They actually print layer by layer, which match according to the requirement of your face. Means actually, what was the example? On your face, at different places, different requirements are there. So according to the different requirements, 3D printed face mask can do the same thing. Means those 3D printers can do the same thing. Accordingly, they can print the required mask, required face mask. So that was all about 3D printed face mask. Okay. So I have already discussed AI-powered apps, then smart mirror number 2, then lab-grown collagen number 3, then skin regeneration patches number 4. Okay, then again you know CRISPR gene editing tool. So experts already are using this thing. They are producing gene editing ingredients. And if those gene editing ingredients are applied to your skin, what will happen? They will just simply edit the aging related genes according to the requirement. You know CRISPR based gene editing technology. So those things are being used, means that technology is being used to develop ingredients, and if those ingredients are applied to your skin, in that case aging related genes will be eliminated, or reduce melanin, overproduction of melanin in your hyperpigmented areas. Again, nanodrops are there. Nanodrops are what? Those things are actually means nanoparticles, or you can say molecules, and those things go deepest in your skin, just bypassing the surface nonsense. You can say that way. Means on your outer skin, those things are not effective. I am talking about nanodrops. Okay, those things are not effective on your outer skin. Requirement is to do something in your inner skin, so that go deep inside your skin. That things, nanodrops, those are nothing but nanoparticles. Anyway, so I have discussed already 7 things, and all these things belong to the category what? Skin care. Okay, that means you can say that in near future your skin advisor may not be a person. It might be an AI. Okay, it might be an artificial intelligence skin expert. In future, in near future, your skincare advisor may not be a person. It might be an AI skin expert. You can see all these things here. Because AI is the requirement. Without AI, those things, your requirement cannot be analyzed and predicted so fast. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, skincare 2025. In near future, all of you can see this thing. Okay, actually it's happening right now in many places, but this is not widely available. But in near future, you can easily see all these things. Okay, so many technologies are being developed simultaneously. Focus is your skincare. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.